Even though we're nearly 1,000 miles away from that big storm, many of you have been impacted. Chris Gloninger reports from Mitchell Airport, where nearly every flight this evening in and out of the Northeast has been affected.
The worst of the storm throughout the Northeast isn't supposed to start for another 6 hours, but flights already canceled from Boston all the way down to Philadelphia. We were here for the arrival of the last flight from New York into Mitchell, and that was the Southwest Airlines flight getting in just after noontime.
It was a smooth landing. As Flight 355 taxied to the gate, it was filled with over 100 passengers who were among the last to get out of New York. Jennifer Mitchell was there checking out prospective colleges.
It was kind of like, I want to get home, but it was also nice to, be stuck out in New York so you didn't have to go to school. That'd be nice.
Deborah Wisenkowski came back from New York after having spent the last 10 days there staying with her son and his girlfriend.
Very lucky. We're praying to get out of there.
I checked with Delta and Southwest Airlines, who both say not much is going in or out of the Northeast until Wednesday at the earliest. Even passengers who were not affected by the blizzard of 2015 sat glued to wall-to-wall coverage of the storm out east.
It's not just flights to and from the Northeast. Southwest Airlines is one of the carriers that have a lot of stops along the way. For example, a flight from Mitchell heading out to Albuquerque was already canceled. Reporting at Mitchell Airport, meteorologist Chris Gloninger, WISN 12 News.
And airlines are asking you to call ahead. Some are allowing travelers to change their travel plans free of charge. Airports in the Northeast should begin to return to normal by Wednesday.